Hello and welcome back to the Cannabis Sommelier. I'm your host, Andrew Friedman. Thanks for joining me for another episode of Product Reviews. Today, I have a wonderful product. I've put it to the test. I've been using it relentlessly for the last couple of weeks, and I'm really excited to unbox and show you another one. So what is it? It's a 510 threaded vape battery, and it's from Vessel. The people at Top Leaf were nice enough to hook me up with two of these at Lyft, and I am absolutely in love with this unit. To be very honest with you, I've been looking for an upgraded 510 thread battery for a while. I've been using the classic C-cell battery for quite a bit of time now. I have lots and lots of them lying around, lots of different carts doing R&D, and I'm gonna tell you all the benefits of this because it is really quite great. So let's get into the unboxing. You can see this is custom branded for Top Leaf, and it's really nice packaging. 2019 Vessel brand, powered by Vessel, Performance air intake, smart battery plus LED indicator, 3 power settings, 2.8 volts, 3.2 volts, and 3.6 volts. Long lasting 240 milliamp battery, we'll get back to that. Magnetic charging port, all fantastic. Designed for people who know, built by people who care. The craftsmanship and performance of your Top Leaf Vessel is obvious from the moment you pick it up. Fits most 510 threaded vapes. There's a 1-year warranty. And again, this is made for Top Leaf Sundial. So let's cut into it. It's got the shrink wrap on it, which is really nice. And these batteries are $79 to $100 on their website. I think they're on sale right now. Got the handy dandy corkscrew knife. There we go. Nice packaging. Sleeve, Vessel, that's our actual Vessels. This is the, custom branded one. Here's the box they all come in. This is the black and gold. And that's what it looks like as soon as you open it. Underneath the lid we have the warnings. 5-volt charger only. Press the button 5 times to turn off, 3 times to cycle power levels. For additional information, visit Vessel brand, but there's really nothing more than that. It is a simple, ease of use piece of technology, which is great. Get started, charge. We recommend fully charging your device before first use. Blinking red lights, charging, no lights, fully charged. Load, remove the black cartridge and replace with your choice of Top Leaf 510 thread cartridge. Do not over tighten the cartridge. You can use any 510 thread cartridge. Enjoy, power on and off with 5 rapid clicks. Press and hold the button. Your inhale 3 times, 3 rapid clicks. Helpful tips, start the lowest setting with any Top Leaf oil. Your device will power down after 15 minutes. Charger, and that's French because we're in Canada. No parlez-vous français, even though I see it absolutely every single day. Here's our unit. Really, really beautiful unit. I really like the color scheme of this one. The Top Leaf black and gold is really slick. You can see that they put the Top Leaf custom branding on it. So a really nice piece of technology. It looks very handsome. This is the black and gold, to me, is very manly. I really, really like this piece. It's like a nice pen for me. It's like holding a Blanc pen or something. Really, really slick. So it's sitting in here just like this. This is our unit. Behind there we have that piece, and then we have the charging cable. Let's check out the charging cable first. There's nothing left in that box. There's nothing under there. That's just a piece. That's our box. Nice box. So our charging cable is proprietary. It's a magnetic charging cable. And what's really interesting about this is that it actually attaches to the bottom. Because if you've experienced any other 510 threaded cart, the only way you can charge these is by twisting it into this port. I'm looking for a charger on my desk somewhere like this. You have to take your cart out. Now, with the Vessel, there is no taking your cart out. You can actually hit it while it's charging, and you have this nice magnetic port, and you can twist that down and it locks it in pretty good. Not all the way. I haven't found a complete lock with that, to be very honest with you. But I like that. Aside from it being proprietary, which is always a hard thing with charging cables, I personally hate proprietary charging cables, but this one's pretty cool. Yeah, I hope you won't lose it. It's nice and magnetic. It's pretty slick. And that's how it charges. Now, on to the rest of the unit. This is where your cart goes. It unscrews. Do not use this one. It's just a burner in its place. But what you can see about the unit, and what I really like, is, if it focuses, that's probably best. There's air holes. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 air holes right down here. And these air holes allow for a really, really beautiful pull. Absolutely beautiful. To be completely honest, I told you I had 2, so I have one right here. I'm just gonna turn it on. 5 presses. Let's see if this comes charged out of the box. Yeah, and it's on the lowest setting there, you can see. And I can do 1, 2, 3. And it'll change colors, 1, 2, 3. Now we have it on green. And let's just, you can see how nice the clouds are. And the rip is so nice. There's so much air coming through it. So, what I love about it, we'll take this off and we'll put it on the other one, just to show you what's going on and how great it works. Because I'm really a big fan of this unit. Not a paid endorsement at all, just love the unit. There it is with the fresh battery right out of the box, so you know it comes charged out of the box, which is nice. So, big things that I've found with this battery, with this fantastic unit, is even though the C-cell battery claims to be a 310 milliamp, this battery actually it claims to have smart technology, and it's a 240 milliamp battery, but it's battery power that's more efficiently being used. And I really have found that with this battery. I've been able to smoke a half cart, have, you know, probably 75 puffs, if not close to 100 puffs, maybe 75, I don't want to exaggerate too much, out of the pen before it needs to be recharged. And it's really great. What I've also noticed is the cartridge itself is not getting hot. I often notice with this battery, if I have 2 or 3 puffs, the cartridge gets really hot and the unit itself shuts down. This unit, I can rip it over and over again. Oh, that wasn't too big of a puff. And it doesn't get overly hot. The flavor stays great, it stays consistent. And big thing about that air is it actually is really giving me a much better flavor. It's not getting as hot, I'm getting more air, and I'm finding I'm getting bigger vapor clouds. I really, really enjoy everything about it. So the airflow, the design, absolutely beautiful. The way that the battery works, that technology in the battery is fantastic because it really is making everything last longer, from my cart to the actual battery life. Love how slick it looks. What else can I say about it? I think it's a great unit. The only knock is the proprietary charger, but I see why they did the proprietary charger, so that you could use your vape while it's charging and that you didn't have to screw in and screw out your vape, dealing with all that nonsense just to charge. Really, really cool unit. For $100, if you use carts all the time, 5-10 thread carts, this is the thing to get. They have lots of different styles, very feminine looking ones, very masculine looking ones. Really enjoy this unit. That's my review. You know what? 9 out of 10, haven't found anything wrong with it yet. The way it would be 10 out of 10 is if it had an app and I could control to the exact degree what temperature the cart was being vaporized with, and seeing all of my data and my analytics behind the scene. That's the only way this would be 10 out of 10, is if it had Bluetooth and it was connected to my phone. 9 out of 10, love the Vessel battery. If you smoke a lot of carts, I definitely think you should get one. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And until next time, cheers!
What's my name? What's my name? The Cannabis Sommelier.